on your butt. Yeah, it feels like space shuttle to me.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
I want you to pull out your checklist where it says engine failure.
Oh.
We're just going to do this one together.
Okay. That actually I don't think I have on my thing. We haven't gone over it yet. Okay.
No, we haven't gone over it.
Fire, electrical fire, cabin fire, low voltage light, engine failure. Okay. Okay, so during takeoff, immediately after takeoff, during flight?
During flight.
All right. So airspeed 60.
Okay, so this is what's going to happen later on, not today, but this is what you'll be responsible for.
Okay.
I'll go like this. Angela, you have an engine failure, and then I'll bring this back to nothing.
To idle.
To idle. So we're at idle now, but we're okay.
Right.
So go ahead and for me the checklist. I'll do each item.
Carb heat on.
Uh-huh.
Best field selected. So we saw that. Oh, yeah, perfect.
Please choose that one because I think that one's a little bit closer. I'll make that one.
Okay.
It's best to choose something right nearly underneath you.
Okay. And fuel shutoff valve on. Mixture rich.
Sure that it's on. Yeah, it's on. Mixture's rich.
Carb heat on.
Carb heat is on. Yep, that didn't help it. I don't have carb ice.
Okay. Ignition switch on both. Oh, because it got kicked or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or I could do left, right, both. Left, right, nothing. That didn't do it.
And primer in and locked, which it is.
Okay.
So we've tested all that.
Nothing worked. Okay, but I'm still have my field. And once I get to where I think I'm going to land, I'm going to make a circle around it.
Okay.
Or just go straight. Or, you know, at this point now I got to figure out what am I doing. And I think right now I'm going to make a little turn. I don't know. Maybe not.
But if you had a true engine failure, you couldn't mess with the throttle.
No.
Okay.
So we're kind of guessing on what we could do. You know, with time you can see how much you can glide.
Right.
You know what? I'm going to choose to do something different.
Okay.
Go ahead and continue to read the checklist. I'm going to do a slip. See?
Wow. Yeah. Well, that's the end of my checklist.
Oh, there's something more.
Oh, without engine forced landing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Airspeed 65, flaps up, 60, flaps down.
Okay, I'm way too fast to bring the power nose up. Okay.
Idle cut off mixture?
It is. Then if I was landing, I would bring that to mixture.
All the way back, okay. Fuel shutoff valve off.
Then I would turn it off.
Really?
Bring that to up.
Okay. Ignition switch off. You want me to do that?
No, we're not going to do that now, but we're just kind of going. I think I might have not made it, but I think there's enough fields in front of me.
Yes. Okay. Well, I'm reading slowly.
Okay.
And then master switch off. Do you still have the fuel thing off?
Yeah, well, I have it on. I'm not going to turn it off.
Oh, you didn't really do it. Oh, okay.
Hell no. No,
no, my heart was going, I'm like, oh my God, we're shutting the plane off?
I didn't. Sorry.
Unlatch the doors, and I read about that, so you can exit if you crash and you can't get out. Touchdown, slightly tail low, and apply heavy brakes.
Yep. So whenever we go flying, I'm looking underneath this if there's a spot for us to land. That's why I don't want to be too far out in the water, although we could land in the water and we're fine here, but not many places in the United States, I think.
Right. I guess you could choose a lake. If there was nothing, if there was trees, like a forest and a lake.
Yeah, and some people feel that it's better to land on some trees than to land in some buildings or...
Right, well, you're not taking out anyone else.
Yeah. That's the engine failure. We haven't discussed it or we haven't done anything. I just wanted to show you because that's the next sort of, we're going to do what? Thing.
But when we practice it, we're doing like you just did, like you're not really shutting off the...
No, but I need to hear you say...
I would do it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's, Okay.
It's a bit like in flight. Can you tell me what runway we're going to land at? You have the airplane. Just get us back to the airport.
Okay. So I need to go back to here.
Condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 31 Celsius. 2.24 Celsius. Altimeter 3011. Remarks. Density altitude 1,600.
Venice is noise sensitive. Intersection departures prohibited. Runway 23, calm wind runway. Runway 13, light traffic. Please fly friendly.
I guess I don't really need to climb any higher.
No.
Venice Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1552 Zulu. Weather. Wind 240 at 7. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 31 Celsius. 2.24 Celsius.
Okay, it's all you. You get me back to the airport.
3011.
Make the calls. You land.
Remark.
Okay.
Density altitude 1,600.
Venice is noise sensitive. Intersection departures prohibited. Runway 23, calm wind runway. Runway 13, light traffic. Please fly friendly.
Venice Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1553 Zulu. Weather. Wind 230 at 7. Visibility.
And I should make the call. We're about, what do you think, like 2 miles, 3 miles? What'd you say? 3? Venice traffic, Cessna 479 Tango Charlie, 3 miles south of Venice Airport on for runway 23, Venice traffic.
If you have nothing to do, maybe do a checklist.
All right.
I mean, you're always looking for traffic. That's number one, but
Pre-landing checklist, power is required, mixture is going to be rich, which is in. Carb heat on. I'll be on 45. But I kind of want to start kind of getting down to 1,000.
yep. Because on the 45, you should be at traffic pattern altitude.
Right. I could pull back a little bit, but it seems like, well, we're kind of descending too, so.
Whatever, it's not right or wrong, but you feel the engine racing.
Yes. So I would say right now I'm on the 45.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Venice traffic, Cessna 479 Tango Charlie on the 45 for runway 23, Venice traffic.
Don't lose any more.
Nope.
You can add an hour too, if you want.
Venice traffic, CAP 844, Cessna 182. North to south, 1 mile off the coast. Passing Venice. 1,000 feet for CAP 844.
And I would think I would start turning. And I should make the call. Venice traffic, Cessna 479 Tango Charlie on downwind for runway 23, Venice traffic. Name the numbers, pull back to 17. Up here on. One thing of flaps.
Make sure you're paralleling.
Oh, I am not.
Venice traffic, ma'am, will this be a touch and go or are you going to full stop?
479 Tango Charlie, be a touch and go.
Oh, it is?
Okay, Doc, after you take off, just look straight ahead. We're passing the end of at the far end of your runway.
Okay, we've been looking for you, thanks.
Okay, so I should go ahead and turn. Venice traffic, Cessna 479 Tango Charlie on base for runway 23, Venice traffic.
One more notch flaps.
Oh, yes. Venice traffic, Cessna 479 Tango Charlie on base for runway 23, Venice traffic.
Say correction, fine.
Venice traffic, monitor 148, 10 miles east, southeast about the landing runway 23, Venice traffic.
Or teeny wee too fast.
Yeah, I felt it, actually. I feel things and then I don't think of what to do.
The power, I think that the rate that we're descending is good.
Yes.
So we just need to slow down, which will bring the nose up a little bit. But if you bring the nose up, then sometimes you have to add power. It's perfectly on the center line. Looking really good. Just feel this all the way down.
Ooh.
Nose up. Yep, good. That was excellent. Okay, looking all the way to the end. I'm going to a little bit of breath. Just hold it right here for a second. Bring the power to idle. Bring the nose up. I'm going to let go. Bring the nose up. Hold it, hold it. I'll have the airplane.
All right, you have the airplane.
And tell me if you see that other guy. Then he's at 1,000 feet.
Do not.
Venice traffic 479 Tango Charlie's going around runway 23. We're looking for the shoreline traffic. Venice. Said it was at 1,000. And how do I look up behind me? Am I on the center line or no?
Yes, you are.
All right, you have the airplane. Go
I
ahead
have
and
the
just
airplane.
turn at 700 feet.
All right.
Hold the crosswind. We'll do another
Oh.
landing.
Okay.
Your calls have always been good, but trust that you know what you're doing.
Because I feel like I don't. Am I saying questioning again?
No, I mean,
why do you say that? What did I do?
because you said that you felt like you were too fast, but you didn't correct it.
Yes, okay, yes.
No, your calls are awesome. It's hard to call and fly. When I say your calls, I don't mean isolated. Your calls and your flying.
No, I understood that, yeah.
Because you can lose the whole plane just by making a call.
Right. I never did see that guy.
Either. Let's anticipate it. Clear right.
Make the call?
Yep.
And we're on a downwind, right?
Yep.
Okay. Venice traffic, Cessna 479 Tango Charlie on downwind for runway 23, Venice traffic.
Venice traffic, Mooney is about to join the downwind for runway 23. And where are you?
479 Tango Charlie, we're abeam the runway 5 numbers. We don't have you in sight.
We got you in sight, we'll follow to 148.
Oh. Okay, pre-landing checklist. There's on.
Oh, I see him now. We see the Mooney now in sight.
Okay, Venice traffic, Mooney to 148 is joining left downwind runway 23. Venice traffic.
Let's shoot for yeah, this speed is really good. But feel it too, look outside.
Uh-huh.
This power setting, everything being nobody in front of us, we're looking really good.
Okay. And I think we can turn. It feels like we're going kind of fast, but alright. I'm gonna turn. Venice traffic, Cessna 479 Tango Charlie on base for runway 23, Venice traffic. Another thing of flaps.
Cessna, you're touch and go.
Affirmative for 479 Tango Charlie, touch and go. Do you have time to do one more after this?
Yeah, I
Okay.
have time. I have all the time.
Okay, we're looking square base, you made your call, 20 degrees, we want to be around 70. Just a tiny hair nose up will get us there.
Okay. Gonna turn.
Yep.
Venice traffic, money for 48, left base, runway 23, Venice traffic.
Venice traffic, Cessna 479 Tango Charlie on final for runway 23, Venice traffic.
Want your hand on the throttle the whole time. I mean, do that, but it was okay to do that.
Okay.
But I'm just saying, don't let go.
Okay.
The speed is really good. And look at it just for a second, but then keep this path is looking really good. I don't feel like we're screaming towards the ground. We're
Right.
not too high. Bring the power back one hair. Don't bring the nose up until you feel like you need to for the level off.
I feel like we're high.
Yep, because you have to push the nose down a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, and you feel like you can make the runway, bring it to idle.
Okay. I feel like I can make the runway.
Okay. Look all the way out. Oh, add your hand, add a little bit of power. Then bring it back out. Okay, beautiful, but we need to be way over here.
Yes.
I have the airplane. Venice traffic 479 Tango Charlie's on the upwind. We'll be remaining in the pattern, Venice. Okay, you have the airplane.
I have the airplane. I think
the speed was really good and everything.
Okay.
I think just let yourself be a little bit lower before you bring the nose to level.
Okay, at the 10 feet.
Yeah, I felt like it was 20 feet.
Okay.
But if you feel like you do that, yeah, put your hand on the throttle because you might have to add just a little squirt because now you're here and or it might be descending too quickly.
Right.
Or maybe not, but keep your hand on the throttle.
Okay.
And I just don't want the elevator to come down. To be controlled descent the whole time.
Oh, you mean like the metaphorical elevator?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you meant the back tail.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, right.
I was like,
that was a
what?
bad word. I don't want our rate of descent to increase to the point where we just bang on the runway.
I understand. And I do have a tendency to be over on the left, so I think
Yeah.
maybe if I turn a little later coming into it.
Your turn is perfect.
It is.
But just keep it maybe whatever you see as being on it a little bit to the right.
Right. Okay.
I don't want you to go beyond it because that creates another problem.
Okay.
Something that I do a lot.
Okay. Oh. Goodness.
Make the call that you're on crosswind.
Venice traffic, Cessna 479 Tango Charlie on crosswind for runway 23, Venice traffic.
You tell me what you think.
I think we're going too fast, but I feel like we're level.
Okay.
Maybe a little higher than 1,000 at this point.
Tell me when you think the power setting is good.
I think right there.
Nailed it. Okay, so I did it because I know you know it. You're just staring at it too much.
Okay. And I'm going to turn. Venice Venice traffic, Cessna 479 Tango Charlie on downwind for runway 23, Venice traffic.
Venice traffic, this is Cherokee 3274, enter downwind 23.
Oh, Cherokee on downwind, what's your position? We're on downwind.
Okay, we're just entering, are you on the left or right?
We're on left downwind for 23.
Okay, I guess we should be behind you. We don't see you though.
We're just crossing the shoreline right now. We're 152.
Okay, you're way out there. We're actually in front of you.
Okay, we're looking for you. I'm scared now. Like, I don't see him.
I don't see him right there.
Oh, okay, we have the Cherokee in sight. We'll be number 2 on downwind for 23, full stop.
74 right.